What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make $2.33 or even more every minute right now. We're talking about how you can earn PayPal money fast and free. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into today's opportunity here, this is going to be a quick one, so please make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity here, so if you're interested in building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But this is one of those perfect opportunities to get started with to make some extra money online while you build a passive income online there. Let's get started. Alright, so the site that we are going to visit today here is respondent.io. Respondent.io. This is how it looks actually when we arrive to the site, and you can see here it says that get the highest quality research participants you need for any research study. Now, we are actually interested in go as respondents, but let's have a quick look at the main site here. So how it works is that big companies, you can see here like Dropbox, IBM, Microsoft, SendGrid, tons, GoDaddy, another big company, they come to this site and they are posting a project, they invite a schedule, they want to do some research, and that is where you can come in, of course, and make some money. And let's go to the 4 respondents here to have a look at it. So you can see here you get paid for participating in research studies. A respondent is the fastest way to high paying research opportunities, and you can see here that they have paid well over 2 million here to respondents until this day. The average interview length is about 30 minutes, and you can see here that the average hourly payment is actually $140. Now I've seen actually amounts like 300, but let's be realistic here to stay with the average hourly payment here, which is 140, and if we divide that with 60 minutes, it is $2.33, around $2.33 there. So that is how I came up with the amount. But as I said, you can actually make more money, so stick here till the end of the video and you're going to find out also another opportunity that you can make money with the same site here. So basically what you do is you verify your profile, you get matched and you participate. And of course you get paid afterwards via PayPal. They only collect a 5% fulfillment fee on the incentive paid. And here is the other opportunity that I mentioned. It is actually that you can earn money by referring friends. And it is actually a pretty good referral program because look at this. You can make actually $50 on average for every referral that you refer there. Okay, so it's not bad at all to get that referral. And you sign up, you refer friends, you share your referral link, and of course you get paid. So it works really simple. If you go back here to, there is an FAQ section also. Alright, so here is the FAQ for the respondent here. And there is tons of questions answering here. Is this legit? Really simple, we can assure you. It has a good reputation. I did a research online, of course. So how does the platform work? You apply to participate in studies that you think you're a good fit for. Respondents are not paid to take the qualifying survey. The researcher sponsor of the study reviews responses and sends invitation to those they think are the best fit. And you can basically have a look at all the details here. I'm not going to bore you with reading out loud here. So you should definitely have a look at it, of course, in detail here to see what this is all about before you sign up here. So all you have to do is just go to respondent.io, have a look at the FAQ there. There is a knowledge base, and go ahead, sign up and get started to make money with this opportunity. Now, as I said in the beginning, they're probably not going to bombard you with surveys and research studies here, so you're definitely not going to get rich with this opportunity. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real online business, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.